Hello, welcome to West Yorkshire Engine Services based in Bradford, West Yorkshire. We're an independent Nissan engine specialist and I've been personally specialising in this particular engine for over 10 years now. So if you've got any concerns, you've got any running problems, please feel free to get in contact, give us a call and we'll give you the best advice that we possibly can, no matter where you are. Now, in today we've got a Nissan Pathinder on a 2005, which, like most Nissan YD25 engines, the timing chain snapped and it's bent a few of the valves. It's not done any of the timing chain covers, but it's just bent the valves, so we've been able to replace them inside the cylinder head and we'll rebuild the engine and fit that inside the car for the customer. Now, the most important thing that we're going to do is a timing chain upgrade. Now, the Nissan Pathinder, our timing chain kit is a BGA kit. It's not a cheap Chinese copy. It's a British made kit and it comes with absolutely everything that you need to do a rebuild, an engine rebuild, including the vacuum pump gear. And that vacuum pump gear just slides straight on your current vacuum pump and you just bolt it on there. And you torque that bolt to 42 Newton meters. Now we send this kit worldwide, so no matter where you are in the world, if you email your address to us, we will get you a price for delivery. You can either have a fast delivery or an economy delivery. It's entirely down to you. So if you need any further information or you need any bolts or you lose a bolt during your engine build, don't worry about that at all. We stock absolutely everything you will ever need for an engine rebuild on a Nissan YD25 diesel engine. As you can see from our shelves here, we stock all the timing plates, all the timing covers, the sumps, absolutely everything that you need to do a timing chain upgrade. If you need any help or assistance, you can contact us through our Facebook page, or you can alternatively give us a call on 01274 663 999 or email westyorkshireengines@gmail.com. Thanks for coming and come again.